make any clip slow motion in After Effects. So we're inside After Effects and we have our clip on the timeline, except the only problem is it's 25 frames a second. We didn't shoot it in 60. What I'm going to do is right click, go time stretch. If you increase the number above 100, it's going to slow down the clip. So let's go with 250%. So now you've seen the clip goes from 2 seconds to 5 seconds. So when we play it back, it's got this sort of weird choppy effect. That's because we're treating a 25 frames a second shot a bit like a 60 frames a second shot, except when you shoot 60 frames a second, you have more frames, so it looks smoother when you slow it down. So to remedy that, we're going to right click, go frame blending and go to pixel motion, and this generates artificial frames in between to help smoothen the footage, and voila, we have a cool cinematic slow motion shot. If you found this tutorial helpful, then subscribe to Astrella for daily After Effects.